How to copy, paste, cut, and delete audio in Audacity. To begin, I added an audio. With the selection tool, select some part of the audio and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Now click someplace else and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Press Ctrl+C to undo a command or press Ctrl+Y to redo a command. Once again, select some part of audio, then press Ctrl+D to duplicate that part into a new track. Click on Silence Audio Selection button to silence the selection. Or to silence every other part of the audio except the selection, click on Trim Audio button. Press Ctrl+K or Delete key to delete the selection. Press Ctrl+Alt+K to delete the selection and leave an empty silence gap. Press Ctrl+X to cut the selection and move other clips backward. Or press Ctrl+Alt+X to cut the selection and leave an empty silence gap. When you cut a part, you can paste it someplace else by pressing Ctrl+V. To replace audio with another part of audio, select a part of audio and press Ctrl+C to copy it, then select another part of audio and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Most of the commands I explained are the commands in the Edit menu. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.